Hello everyone. I'm going to do a review of the Echo PAS 225. It's just as good as the SRM 225, only it comes undone here. In just a second you can take that off and you can throw another attachment on, or you can throw an edger attachment on. It's as simple as that. No complaints about this either. It's been a really good trimmer, and the edger works good. But the next time I buy a new SRM 225, I'm going to take this off and put it on my old SRM 225 and just have a dedicated full-time edger, because I really don't care for the curve. But that's another video for another day. I'm going to do a cold start, and I haven't used this trimmer in probably 2 months. It may not have any gas in it. It's got a little bit of gas in it. There you go. It hasn't been started in a couple months, and for a bonus, this is out of trimmer line. I'm going to show you how easy it is to fill up the speed feed head on a SRM 225, or any Echo for that matter, with the speed feed head. And when you know it's not lined up, because it is. And here I'm saying how easy it is, and I'm fumbling around with it. I just pulled the line out of my pocket. It'll probably have a knot in it. And I'm actually making this look harder than it actually is, and people are going to be laughing at me. Well, oh well. And there you go. That's how to fill the trimmer line up on a SRM 225 with the, I think it's 400 head, I can't remember now. But if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.